All right, we are back in the next section of our project here that we're working on, collaborating with others and integrating data. All right, so we're going to modify our linked chart object. So what we want to do, according to our directions, we want to go to our taskbar. Okay, we want to click our Excel button, which is the green with the X. So we're going to open that, and it's telling us to close it out. So I'm going to exit out from the top and wait for it to close. All right, which takes us back to our Word button. On the taskbar, we want to click the Word button if necessary to display Word in the window. We didn't need to do that. It automatically came up. So now anywhere in the white area that's inside this chart border, which is located right here, you see selection handles appear on the chart border. So we go and we click inside of it. There we go. And you can see that the handles have appeared. All right. And also there's chart tools that are located over on the right. From that, you can also see you get a chart design up at the top, and it says chart tools design, but it's got chart design, and it actually opens up and it gives you a new set of options that you can choose from since you're going to be working with a chart. All right, and you can see how those are displayed at the top on page WD 731, so you can make sure that yours says the same thing. All right, now in the data group, which is located right here, we want to click on the Edit Data button. All right, and then actually what happens is the spreadsheet reappears, okay, that contains the chart data that was open, that we used, that we copied, or excuse me, that we linked over. All right, now what we want to do is, you can see here at the top linked data, and it tells you how long ago that it was modified. And it said that it was modified 19 minutes ago. And that's because we're constantly working on this particular document. All right, now the file path at the top of the spreadsheet window shows that the location of the linked file that you are about to edit. You can see here, and that's where it's located in my textbook project on my OneDrive, because that's where I did that. Now in the Excel window, we want to click the cell B3. So here is B1, B2. We're going to click in B3. Okay, and it contains the value 45. And then what we want to do is we want to type 75. Okay, 7, 5. All right, then we're going to click enter. And when we do, the section of the pie chart changes from 45 to 75. Okay, although you can't see the pie chart in the Excel spreadsheet window, it also has been updated to display this new value. That's the thing using a linked document. When it changes in one, it also changes in the other. All right, and in the Excel window, we want to type 300 in B4. So we're going to have to move up here. So we have B4. We're going to click on that. And when I click on that, I'm going to type in 300. And with 300 typed in, we're going to click enter. And when we do, it changes and updates the information. Again, it updates it in the spreadsheet, which we cannot see, but it also updates it in our Word document, which we can see. Now, at the top of the spreadsheet window, we want to click the Save button, which is located, again, the spreadsheet window, not the Word window, but the spreadsheet window, which is located right here. We're going to click the Save button, and then what we want to do is close out that portion, which the spreadsheet window, which is this X. Here we go. And then what we want to do is we want to click anywhere outside of this chart to deselect it, which I'll just take this paragraph right here. You can see the handles go away, so it is no longer selected. And then the next thing that we want to do again is to save our combined document. So I'm going to check my name on our title bar to make sure that it's correct. And then the next thing I'm going to do is come over here and click save. All right, and that is it for this section. We will meet you back in the next section.